Oh hey, it's me from before. It's been a minute since I made one of these videos. Figured why not do another one. So I'm having an issue here, and I don't know if it's just my EPS or if it's everybody's EPS, but sometimes it doesn't want to allow for transposition. So right now I've got notes down here. And those are the only 4 notes I have for that particular sound. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to move it from here all the way up to here. That way I can pitch it down or put it down to the correct octave and then be able to play notes down here. But I'm going to show you what happens when I do that. So we're going to go to Edit Wave, go over to Wave Sample, and get it onto Wave Sample 1. And we know we're on Wave Sample 1 because when you press the key, it still has Wave Sample 1 highlighted. If I press this key, it'll jump to Wave Sample 2. But yeah, so now we're going to go to Set Keyboard Range, and we're going to put that here. Well, the lowest note we're going to go is this C, and then the high one will be this C. Go back to Edit, and nobody wants to do their job. So, and it's kind of only this patch. I'm gonna delete this real quick and load it again. Boop, boop. So instead, I'm gonna go the long way around here, and we're just going to make another instrument and then port over the samples and adjust them there. I don't know why it won't let me do it inside that thing, but it just won't. So we're going to go Command Instrument, create new instrument, press Enter, select Unused Instrument 2, why not? Enter. Command complete. Wonderful. Now we're going to go Command Layer, because we have to have at least one layer for us to put the wave samples on. Create new layer, yes. Layer 1's created. Wonderful news. Go back to this guy. Hit Edit. Oh, you could have just pressed Command, but I always start from the Edit point for whatever reason. So we go, well, actually, no, we do have to do Edit. That way we make sure that we're on we have the wave sample we want to copy is here. So now we go Command Wave 1. If you press 1 right after Command Wave, that goes to copy wave sample. That way you don't have to do a bunch of scrolling through. Oh, there we go. And Enter to unnamed instrument, you betcha. To layer 1, that's the one we made. And wave sample is created. And it is just those 4 notes like I had last time. So now we're going to go to Edit, Wave Sample 1 on this instrument, Set Keyboard Range. And we're going to go from... let's go from F down... oh no, we donked that all up. So high C down to low F. There we go. And now we have to adjust our pitch here. So we go to Edit, Pitch. If you scroll down on this button, the pitch goes up. If you scroll up on this button, the pitch goes down. So we want to go down a full octave here. I don't know if you can see that. So back to the C that I wanted. Perfect. So now let's go grab the other samples off of this first one. And we're going to go to wave sample 2, which is going to be this. There we go. Command wave 1, copy wave sample, you betcha. 2 unnamed instrument, absolutely. 2 layer 1, you bet. And wave sample 2 is created. So let's go ahead and put that where we want it now, which I think we're going to put it down here now. So, edit, set keyboard range, and we're going to have that one just...
I like it when you
That's such a horrifying sample in that low pitch. I got these from Showgirls. The reason why the patch is called Pool BJ is self-explanatory, I guess. But yeah, now we got to pitch it back up. So edit pitch.
I liked it when you came.
There we go. Still gross. Back over here. Edit. Wave sample 3. Command wave 1. Copy wave sample. Yes. Apada. And then let's go ahead and edit. Make sure on wave sample 3. Set keyboard range. And we're going to put that on. Yeah, it's another horrifying sample. Let's see here. No, I gotta go to edit pitch, of course.
Must be weird not having anybody come on you.
And again, I apologize. That's a gross sample. Yeah, and so I want to save this in my instrument folder under, I guess, this will be, we'll call this a synthesizer. Why not? So we're going to go to load system. All right, load system. Exit to sound. Exit to root. File sounds. Of course we want to go to sounds because that's where we keep everything. But I also have banks up here. I got sequences and sysx and macros, and somehow a bass got thrown into the top of the root folder, but we're going to go to sounds. So my sounds are as thus. I have loops, I've got kits, I've got synth, I've got breakbeats, I've got voice samples, I've got synthesized loops, I've got strings, I've got piano, sound effects. So we're going to go to synth. Enter. Alright, and then exit to sound. But what we want to do here is go command instrument, scroll on down to save instrument, and the name's going to be Pool BJ. And Pool BJ now, this version of Pool BJ safely lives inside of the synth. And disk command complete. So
I liked it when you came.
Weird not having anybody come on.
now the real question is, guys, did I accidentally save the old Pool BJ into that file? And I'm going to say yes. So just to make sure, we're going to go to load. Yep. Loading it up. Yep. So how do we get rid of that, you say? How do we get rid of that? That is... So load, hold down load, cancel. And then we can delete that out of that folder. So load and cancel is how you actually delete a patch out of a folder. And we'll go ahead and get rid of it here. I'm going to go here, and then we're going to go again, command, save instrument. We're already on that from the command page. And we'll name it once again. If there was enough space, I would have it named Kyle MacLachlan's O-Face, but we only have so many characters here. Boop, borp, burp, and beep. There we go. Now we're saving that. And disk command complete. Cool. So I got now I have my which is great. Yeah. Guess that's it for this one. I don't know what else I could possibly show you. But yeah, that's how I've gotten around not being able to edit things on one patch and making a new one so I can get what I get. Beats the shit out of going in and resampling everything. So I hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching if you did. Bye-bye now.